know I love you like I love myself. Just know I love you like there's no one else. Time is of the essence, I could die, so this is critical.
Next song that we are reviewing on this stream is by the Guess Who. I haven't heard much from them lately at all. And it's called No Sugar Tonight / Mother Nature. Let's do it.
Inside, find a corner where I can hide. Silent footsteps crowding me. Sudden darkness, but I can see. No sugar tonight in my coffee. No sugar tonight in my tea. No sugar to stand beside me. No sugar to run with me. Down, 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 down.
Got a catchy sound. I like this so far. I can rock with this. Na, 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 na. This sounds like one of them songs you listen to and get stuck in your head for like 5 days. Y'all know what I'm talking about, I think.
In the silence of her mind, quiet movements where I can find. Grabbing for me with her eyes. Now I'm falling from her skies. No sugar tonight in my coffee. No sugar tonight in my tea. No sugar to stand beside me. No sugar to run with me. Dun da 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 dun da 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 dun da 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 dun da da da.
I took like a turn in melodies and I like that. So beautiful.
Jocko says yes, and I believe him when we talk about the things I say. She hasn't got the faith or the guts to leave him when they're standing in each other's way. You're tripping back now to places you've been to. You wonder what you're gonna find. You know you've been wrong, but it won't be long before you leave him all far behind. 'Cause it's the new Mother Nature taking over. It's the new splendid lady come to call. It's the new Mother Nature taking over. She's getting us all. She's getting us all. Jocko said no when I came back last time. It's looking like I lost a friend. No use calling 'cause the sky is falling and I'm getting pretty near the end. A smoke-filled room in a corner basement. The situation must be right. A bag of goodies and a bottle of wine. We're gonna get it on right tonight. 'Cause it's the new Mother Nature taking over. It's the new splendid lady come to call. It's the new Mother Nature taking over. She's getting us all. She's getting us all. Lonely feelings is yes, and I believe inside of the things I say. Find a corner. She hasn't got the faith or the guts to leave him when they're standing in each other's way. Silent footsteps out to places you've been to. You wonder what you're gonna find. Sudden darkness. You've been wrong and it won't be long before you leave them all far behind. 'Cause it's the new Mother Nature taking over. It's the new splendid lady come to call. It's the new Mother Nature taking over. She's getting us all. She's was home.
Oh shoot. I'm not gonna lie, it's talking about she in the zone. I sure was in the zone myself. I didn't got lie. I wasn't even paying attention to the screen though, but I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, I like that one. I'm about to download that. That was a good one. The person who requested that, send that to my inbox. So that's why I can remember, just in case. I'm gonna be mad if I forget. All right, y'all. This was great. Ooh, guess who? Guess who got me into the song? Oh, not funny. My bad.
When I can't sleep at night, got all these dreams to fight. I know it's angels on my back, but I can't see the light. Got all these demons on me, I know they scheming on me. Heard a shout coming from the distance, the reaper screaming for me. Yeah, but I got purpose, so I can't go. I know the devil cursed my